What is up? Yeah, I'm Shadden. Yes, I am. Now, as you can see, I just wanted to show you the one Cydia tweak you just have to have. And you know what that is? See how every single time I move my screen over, it kind of like spins around like more? You need to get that. That is like an amazing thing. It's so cool. You can change it. Now, you know what it's called? I'm not going to tell you. I'm JK, and it's called Cylinder, right there. With the baby. Wah! Baby. Alright. So, when you get on, it's not going to be enabled. See, look how stupid and plain it is. How stupid, right? So then you want to enable it, then it becomes ka-chow. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Alright, I'm going to stop playing. Alright, now, it's free, completely free, so you need to go to Cydia, type in, one sec, let it load. You want to type in cylinder. Oops, I switched it wrong. No, stop, I don't. Good. And there's going to be one called Baby. Click, and there's going to be install where it says modify. Install that. And then, I think it's going to restart your springboard. So just let it do that, and then when it's done, you want to click on settings. And go down to the bottom. And then cylinder. Click on that, enable it, and then go to effects. Now you can change it to all of these. I'm sure you're not going to want me to go through all of these, because it's pretty annoying. Oh yeah, you can mix them up too, which is pretty cool. Like I mix explode. Look, this is normal page spin, like that. But then if you add explosion, it kind of goes like, kind of like cool, I don't know. But then this explosion is this. Alright, okay. Oh my god, my phone just flew out of my hand. Alright, so and you just click on one, ant lines. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah. And it will just change over and over. Like, it's a really cool one. You know, it's a really cool one too. Vortex. That actually was going to be my one. We're kind of like spins. Whoosh. Do. And you just play around. That's actually really cool. I'm really enjoying this. Alright. So yeah, that's pretty much what it is. Cylinder. Go check it out now. I said now. Go! Stop watching this video and go check it out. Alright, well that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.